Hello, my name is Mr. Kumar, and I'm an architect. At Terra Architecture, we take pride in delivering top-quality engineering design and drafting services. We focus on completing every project on time, with high standards and within budget. We work with modern tools like AutoCAD and Revit to provide you with strategic and quality-driven solutions. Beyond my professional life, I remain a student of cities, a frequent traveler, and an avid full-court basketball player. I live with my family, 2 cats and a dog, and continue to find joy in creative exploration, whether it's an architectural sketch, a global city, or a friendly competition to see who's visited the most airports. Stay connected with us so you don't miss any upcoming updates. And thank you for watching this video. If you'd like more updates, do give it a like and subscribe.